Okay, here we have the master lock. Very easy lock to open. I'm gonna turn it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Now, just pop it in. There we go. That's how easy this lock is to open. Very easy. Matter of fact, it's too easy. Let's put the tool still in there. Look at that, so easy. There we have this one. This master lock, very nice piece. I'll use a top keyway tensioner, which is this, just a plain one. Comes with the Dangerfield Polaris rigs. Layers. So you can see here. I'm gonna pop that right there. I'm just gonna hold it like that, and then just pop it in. Shit, dropped it. Oh. Try again. Top the keyway, right there. Work again. Let's hope for the best. Fuck's sake. Stupid rig. I have to get it one of my better ones, so we'll see. We shall see. There we go, look at that. Oh. There's probably some better tensioners. There you go. Simple and easy. But with a bit more practice, you can pop these open very easy. Best luck, very easy. Super easy. Yeah. Thank you for watching.